So I think that was pretty convincing. So I would like to highlight what actually my class structure would look like. So at the start of each class, I will be having a doubt session. It will be of 10 to 15 minutes. So before that, I would like to highlight that each session is around 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on what is the content that is being going to covered and what are the doubts you people are asking. So the first 10 to 15 minutes are given as doubt session. So these includes the question that I have posted in my previous homework. So if some of you are unable to actually solve the questions, you can ask this in this session. Also, it will be the doubts from the previous theory sessions. So if you have any doubt in the previous lectures, you can ask this in this particular time interval. Then coming to the theory session. So in theory session, what I will be doing is explaining each concept in detail. So one of the problems that most aspirants face is actually, and there are multiple resources. So this was a problem faced by me as well. So if you are going to study math, someone will recommend you R.D. Sharma, someone will recommend you G. Tivani, someone will recommend you some other book, S. L. Onise. And what happens is we start with a book and we do not finish it up and we move on to the another. So what actually happens is basic questions are covered from all the books, but we actually do not get to solve those hard problems. So what I will be doing is I will be filtering out those questions, and will be we all will be doing it in this theory sessions. And finally, I will be giving a set of homework questions that would approximately take 5 minutes. So these questions will include previous year JEE means and JEE advanced questions. So I could not emphasize more on the fact that if you want to clear any exam, be it CTET, be it JEE, be it boards, any exam, you name it, the best resource to practice is from the previous year a question bank. So why I am saying so? Because each exam has its pulse. So if you can get hold of that pulse, if you know what the examiner is thinking, what he is expecting, then only you can actually prepare. You can actually remember which concepts are more important, which are requiring more attention, which concepts are not being asked. So what is the point of studying and wasting your time in those concepts? Because time is limited. So the best thing is to do previous year questions, both from JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, because you are going to prepare for both of these exams. And then there will be selected questions from other resources. These could be Olympiad questions. These could be from, as I mentioned, G. Tivani question. It could be R.D. Sharma question. So it could be Mr. S. K. Goel questions. So all these questions will be filtered out by me and will be provided to you. And the test series, the ETCS will actually take care of all those facts that you guys get ample questions, because apart from concepts, maths is all about practicing. So the more and more you practice, the more and more the right set of questions you practice, the more you become closer to your goal. So yeah, that was pretty much from my side. Hope to see you soon in my classes. Thank you.